All right, today we're gonna bring you some outdoor lights, and these are pretty good if you're gonna be setting up your garden. Today we're gonna set them up by the pool, and let me show you a couple things that are included. All right, let me start with the stakes. You get a couple stakes, all right, 4 stakes for each one that you could set up. All right, they give you the control along with the screw that's gonna belong to the stakes. Long extension cord. You're gonna need the power supply to plug it in. So we're gonna set them up and see how bright they are, and we're gonna change some colors and take a look at a night and see how they work. All right, so we have it lighting up our pool here, and we can change any color we want. Look at that: red, green, blue, orange, like a bluish purple. I'm gonna go through all the colors. Awesome lighting. Now this one auto, it changes automatically to different things that you want. Like if you guys can see that, we're gonna do a race, and this is called race. And then we're gonna go to the flash. Flash is just flash. That's flash pretty much. And then we can always go to white, completely white, if you want to see the whole thing. Now there's different modes. You can put 1 hour, 3 hours, and of course 6 hours. You change the brightness, the speeds, and then the wireless Bluetooth. You could do Bluetooth here with the speakers. If you have audio, you can do that. Modes, there's different modes. You can keep changing different colors, like a rainbow, if you guys can see that. And then we got, of course, speeds down, but we could do any kind of we want. I like to put auto. It just goes automatically to different modes. But very simple. I'm lighting up my pool. I hope you guys enjoy the video.